Hello guys, welcome once again to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to link virtual card into your PayPal account. So we all know that not every virtual card that you can link, every virtual card from Ghana that you can link to your PayPal account, and I've shown you, or I've made a video on Eversend virtual card, and we are now going to link our virtual card into our PayPal account. Welcome once again. To successfully link your virtual card into your PayPal account, this is the process that you need to go through. So first of all, make sure you go to your browser and then log into your PayPal account. If you log into your PayPal account, you can log it into in your phone, or either you use your PC. So for me, I'm using the phone. So if you log into your PayPal account on your phone, this is how the screen is. On the screen, you see it says our profile has been successfully verified, and we have confirmed our email address, and it left with us to link our. Down there you find it says link card and then link bank. For Ghana here, you cannot link bank. The only thing that you can link is what? The card. So we need to link the card. Just click on link the card. If you click on link card, they will ask you to confirm your account. So make sure you type in your email address, and then you successfully type your password, and then you click on login to log in. Once you have logged into your account, this is the place to link your card into your address. To link the card, we have three main things that you need to get. The first one is what? To make sure you have the card number. That's the. And then the next one is to make sure you have your expiring date, and then the security number, that the CVV number. That's the only three things you need in the. So if you have all these details, just go straight and then you just enter in those details inside your PayPal account, and then once you are done, you just click on link card. After you have click on link card, PayPal will send you a message to go straight into your Eversend account to make sure you confirm it that you is the owner person linking your card to PayPal, to confirm it on Eversend, so that your card will be linked to Eversend successfully. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in our next video.